Hello everybody. I'm going to show you the last part of my stacked bow. So when I left off on the last one, I had made these, and these are, each ribbon is 14 inches long. Well, I made two more in this style of ribbon, or this pattern, and these I cut at 13 inches. That way they will fit inside the other one and you'll be able to still see them. So you can sew these, they're just so temperamental, trying to get them just right. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of hot glue right here. Not in the center, but on these ends. And then I'm gonna try to match these up, but I'm not gonna put it all the way even. So I'm gonna do it like that, where there's a little bit of overlap there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Just a little dab of hot glue, and then put that, overlap it, and glue it about centered up. So it's like that. And then it'll fit nicely inside of this one, and you'll be able to see all of the ribbons. And then this cute little center one will go right there. Okay, so I've got these sewn together, which I showed that on the other tutorial. And then I'll just stack these like that and put this one on top. So you can just hot glue all this together, smush it down, or you can try to sew it all together. Either way, it is a little difficult to get the needle all the way through all of these layers. I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue all these. So I'm just going to put some hot glue there, some hot glue there, just enough to get them together. And you notice I didn't do it in the center because I want that to have some give when I wrap the whole thing with ribbon. There and there. I'm about to run out of hot glue. Okay, center that up. Get another piece of hot glue, another hot glue stick. And a little trick for you. If you will either burn that or add a little dab of hot glue to the end, push it through, hold it for a couple of seconds. It will glue to the existing glue stick and it won't fall out. Okay, and that one I will put right there. So just going to add some hot glue to that. Put it in the center, smush it down, hold it for a minute. Okay, so it's all together, all the little layers. I need to trim that one off with just a little bit. I hate when it does that. And I want to burn that a little bit so it doesn't fray. Okay, now I'm going to take this alligator clip, and I did show how to glue that on a different one. So I want to go ahead and add this. I'm going to put hot glue from there to there. I don't want to hot glue that too much right there because I want to be able to get in there to clip it. So just flip that over and just push it down. Hold it for a minute. See? Now I'm going to get another piece of ribbon to wrap all the way around, and it will help hold that to it. I'm going to go ahead and put a knot in this one. So just fold it over like so. Pull that through, just slowly pull it so you have kind of a pointed knot there. Don't want to pull it too tight. just want it to look like that. Then you put some hot glue on the back of that. Nope. Hot glue that right in the center. Just kind of hold that down for a second. So it'll dry. Flip this upside down. I'm going to point that up, and I'm going to add some hot glue up there, and I'm going to pull that up through there like that, and let that alligator clip go, and it'll seal it down on there really good. And then I'm going to trim that off right there. Burn that really quick. Now I've got the top piece. I want to do the same thing with it. So I'm going to open that up, add a little bit of hot glue, not too much. Pull it over. Pull it snug. Make sure that's still in the center. Trim that up just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more hot glue there. Push that down like that. You can go ahead and add just a little bit more hot glue right there too. Let that dry. And then you've got your alligator clip. And it's secured on there. Okay, so that's what that cute little layer looks like. And they can wear that alone if they want to. Make a cute bow. You can spray your hair bows with hairspray too to stiffen them up. Just beware if you make them real stiff and then you don't like the way it may end up going, you know, you may have one going crazy and then you can't ever fix it because it's sprayed solid. But I know a lot of people that like to do that, especially with their cheer bows. Okay, so now I'm going to take this big one, this big boutique one that I made earlier, and they can wear that one alone. Or I've made them another layer, and since I put it on an alligator clip, all they have to do, that where you can see it, is slide that in that existing, well, it's not going like I want it to. Okay, there it goes. It'll take a couple of times to get it loosened up. Okay, so now I've got this cute stacked hair bow, all these layers going, with the French clip on the back. That'd be cute for Valentine's Day or just whenever, you know, little girls like pink usually. But then if they want just a simple boutique one, you find the end, and they can just wear it like that. So either way, and you can always put a bottle cap here. Those are always really cute to do. Or you can take another boutique one, which is going to be impossible with that one, but if it had just a plain alligator clip, you could go like that and stack them like that, or it's just all one solid color, but it's a, you know, nice big one. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.